In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits in Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to add funds to your Steam wallet with confidence. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. On the top right of the Steam window, you'll see your profile icon. Click that. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says View My Wallet. This takes you to your Steam wallet page, where you can see your current balance and all the options for adding funds. On the wallet page, you'll find several preset amounts you can add. These amounts will show in your local currency. Pick the amount that suits your needs. For example, let's say you want to add 2,000. Look for the option that lists 2,000 and click the Add Funds button next to it. This simply tells Steam how much you plan to load into your wallet. You haven't been charged yet. Next, Steam will ask you to select a payment method. Choose the option that works best for you, such as a credit or debit card, a digital wallet, or another locally supported method. After selecting your method, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked for standard billing details, and some banks may require an extra security step to confirm the purchase. Take your time here and make sure the amount and currency are exactly what you expect before you proceed. If everything looks good, continue through the checkout flow. I won't finalize a payment here, but these are the exact steps you'll follow. Once the transaction completes, your Steam wallet balance will update, usually right away. Those funds will be available immediately to spend on games, downloadable content, or in-game items, and Steam will automatically use your wallet balance at checkout. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Double-check that you're on the correct account before adding funds, confirm your region and currency to avoid confusion, and ensure your payment method has sufficient funds and is authorized for online purchases. If your bank uses additional verification, keep your phone nearby to complete that step promptly. Also, remember that wallet funds are generally not refundable once added, so choose the amount thoughtfully. That's it. Open Steam, click your profile icon, select View My Wallet, pick the amount you want, like 2,000, hit. Add funds, select your payment method, and follow the prompts. You're all set to add credits to your Steam account.